If the world were vegan, zoonotic origin global pandemics simply wouldn't exist. There would be no COVID. Now, I am not a medical doctor, so I cannot do justice to this topic, but I posted a link to Michael Greger, MD's 2008 talk on the topic, and it's definitely worth listening to. Here's a short paragraph from that talk. Medical anthropologists have identified 3 periods of disease since the beginning of human evolution, and the first began approximately 10,000 years ago with the domestication of animals. When we brought animals into the barnyard, they brought their diseases with them. When we domesticated cows and sheep, we also domesticated their rinderpest virus, which turned into measles. In the past 150 years, measles has killed about 200 million people. All those deaths can be traced back to the taming of the first cow. Smallpox likely came from camelpox. We domesticated pigs and got whooping cough. We domesticated chickens and got typhoid fever and typhoid Mary. We domesticated ducks and got influenza. Leprosy likely came from water buffalo, and the common cold came from horses. Also, in December of 2020, the infamous and world-renowned Dr. Jane Goodall called upon the United Nations to build forward to create a sustainable, equitable, humane world and prevent the next pandemic. And in her publication called The Animals Manifesto, Preventing COVID-X, she wrote, "How shocking to realize that we brought this on ourselves through our disrespect of the natural world and our disrespect of animals. The COVID-19 crisis makes absolutely clear that to reduce the risk of future world-stopping pandemics, we must fundamentally reorient our relationship with animals from a relationship of exploitation to a relationship of mutuality. We must do this on the basis of urgency." And then finally, April 7th, 2020, the Physicians Committee of Responsible Medicine petitioned the U.S. Surgeon General to immediately close all live animal markets in the United States. And they wrote, "There must not be another pandemic." According to the CDC, they wrote, "More than 6 out of every 10 known infectious diseases in people can be spread from animals, and 3 out of every 4 new or emerging infectious diseases in people come from animals." Please understand, this is a very serious issue. A plant diet can literally save ourselves, save our health, save the animals, and save the planet.